Hello, you rad cats out there, Crimson Alchemy of the CAK, and I have something I wanted to present to you all. It's something I posted back in 2016 when I saw it, and of course it uh, never got really the scrutiny or the questions or the observation I was hoping for. Uh, but now that it's more of a public conversation piece right now, UAPs and UFOs, unidentified aerial phenomena, I'd like to present to you a video I shot when I used to live in Johnston, Rhode Island. This was April of 2016. Um, so I used to be able to sit out on the roof of my house and, have a drink, relax, just kind of enjoy, the open air of the sky in the busy, urban, suburban area. Now, one of the things that kind of got to me was, you ever get that feeling like turn around, like that kind of overwhelming feeling? So I'm sitting there and I just had that kind of feeling of like, turn around, you need to see this. And it was like one of those, not like just a feeling, but almost kind of a voice. You kind of heard it. No, I'm not not schizophrenic at all. But I did like kind of almost like feel like I heard that voice like turn around. And as soon as I did, in this very low trajectory was this object just moving like a motherfucker. And it had no sound, no propulsion to it. It was definitely not a balloon. It was this metallic sphere. Now, I quickly grabbed my phone and tried to like run across my roof, trying to grab it, the image of it and the video of it, and explain what I'm seeing, what I'm noticing. And the video stops as I get to the edge of my roof, I almost like fall off. And it just, what it does in the video, you'll see it going in a straight trajectory, and then what it does, it's like 45 degrees to its left, and then it just boom was gone, like that. You just see gone like that. Unfortunately, I couldn't quite capture that at that moment, but I did get a basis of it. And I'd never even brought this video back up again up until very recently, declassified by the Pentagon, was caught by a U.S. drone in the Middle East, was one of these spheres, and it looks exactly the same look, size, everything of what I saw. Now in the video, as you can tell with videos, things look farther away than things are closer than they appear, and it was very close for me to see, but in the video, of course, it looks like a little further away. But I wanted to present this out there, get your opinions on it. Again, I'm not saying it's our technology or extraterrestrial, dimensional technology. It's something I've never seen before, and to see it in broad daylight, like very close to me, it was just kind of one of those. You just look around and boom. I've never seen anything like this again. I know the skies around here. I've seen balloons, but this was like low trajectory, moving very fast, silent. I've seen every kind of drone that there is, and this was in 2016, yeah, mind you. And yeah, I want to leave it up to you. Let me know what you think about it, your analysis about it, and I'm also going to put a video comparison of it with the actual drone caught by the drone, the U.S. military over in the Middle East, as a comparison. Let me know what you think about it. Again, be nice, be civil, be adults, and just really give everyone your opinion, your take, comparisons to what you know, what you've seen, or anything else like that. Let's keep this conversation healthy and try to figure out what the fuck is this. Just this random ball, not too far from me, very small in the sky. No propellers on it. This is not a drone, and it's not a bird. It's not making any sound on it at all. I just